Thank you very much. SIS MELLY Diaries, Makadima Diaries. Yes, it's official. I'm back. Once again, my name is Mukoma Masimba. I'm the boss. I'm in charge. What do you mean? Paupenyu wangu. I'm the boss. I'm in charge. You too, paupenyu wako. You are the boss. You are in charge. Satisfactory, my boss. Today, I'm going to start with only 6 things. 6 things. Who remembers me sometime back, few years ago, Masimba Live TV? I was kicked out, I was banned, I was blocked. Who remembers? I was called the enemy of progress, Mukoma Masimba Mandu, all because my idea, the idea is Masimba Live TV, swakaramba kuirana. It was because my ideas, Nima ideas is Masimba Live TV, has not kuirana. Instead of respecting it as kuirana, they went on to bully me by blocking me, using mob psychology, pushing UK people, Mukoma Masimba Mandu, comment section, all those things. And I said, yo, Nyore Pasi, I'm going to shut down Masimba Live TV. Number 1, today it's official. Masimba Live TV is down. I did it. Lakai Zima, Lakai Vara. Ndiri 1 versus 100,000 people. Number 2, who remembers Ndakati Anti Jenny na Ango Jedza? I'm gonna make you straight. Pano pa Facebook. I'm gonna make you clueless. Then I went on to say, Ango Jedza mkwasha wangu. I love you so much, but I'm gonna make you chituta. Who remembers those words in Chidaro? Jedza pano pa Facebook. I'm going to make you chituta. Someone useless. Asina zuguita. Angati bata zinu. And for sure today, Anti Jenny na Jedza, they are clueless. Zazituta riba Facebook. Zaitika. I said it. That Nyore Pasi kamine na Mukoma Masimba. Nyore Pasi. Mangwana to vula manot said to check. Today I'm asking you, check your notes. Where's Ango Jedza? Where's Anti Jenny today? Zazituta riba Facebook. That being said, I don't hate Anti Jenny. I don't hate Ango Jedza. No. It's a game of ideas. It's a game of respecting each other. Their idea was to build Anti Jenny brand. My idea was to build a community. They wanted to personalize Masimba Live TV, to make it personal. And I wanted to make it a community TV. And I said, if you want to do things personal, you go nowhere. And I'll make sure I'll shut it down. Number 3, DJ Ola is now on Facebook. Who remembers me in Star FM radio? Sometime years back. Yes, who remembers me and DJ Ola? If you remember, Star FM, on Terra Star FM. I'm the first person for diaspora koya Ola, shoya Ola. Kati Ola mpana wami, wana ka Ola, wapa radio, in Facebook. I want you to come to Facebook. Bring your radio to Facebook. Ola garamba. Kati Ola mpana wami, Facebook is digital. That's where the world is going. Radio ya kupera. Sa ukupedza shungu zako pali chinja pera. Focus on bringing your shows with Facebook and build your name on Facebook and radio. Ola garamba kunditerera. Today Ola siya radio apa Facebook. But Facebook ata hana kuibuilda. Hana kubuilda staraki. Aka shikanganwa. So how are you gonna make it, Ola? You want to do commercial Facebook. How are you gonna do it? You had a chance. You had an opportunity. And opportunity. Bring your shows. Ulpa show yako pa radio. Open your Facebook and broadcast for Facebook live. Who build the star of Facebook shakari. I told him those words Zagaramba. DJ Ola. Today I hear by Facebook. Is a loner. You want to do commercial. But the chance was there. Yanaka kuuza ugaramba. And he went on to block Mukoma Masimba. And was blocked from Star FM radio. Because I'm not DJ Ola. I disagreed now. panyaya dzemaprofita neng'anga, mashows awe maprofita. Saka mashows enyaya kaya, they are one-side story. It's not a two-side story. So you are broadcasting a problem. Now all our one blocker. Who remembers that? Then they went on to bring Sekuru Banda. Sekuru Banda was Mukoma Masimba. That's the news today. Mukoma Masimba was Sekuru Banda. Then I said, in your passy, time will tell. We're gonna open our books and check. Today I'm back. After years. Where is Sekuru Banda? Vanyarara. Sekuru Banda. Andre magaenda pa radio. Magandi roya. Tadzoka ka. Chuya titauriranika. Imma musipo. I told them, Sekuru Banda nchawata shut down. Today Sekuru Banda is down. I did it again. In short, in this life, usashore idea yemun. Look at the idea, not the person. Wala unditari ndina mazino, I don't look good. Uchandishora. Uchegnore ndikutaura. All I'm asking you is listen to what I'm saying. Don't look at what I look like, or don't look at my looks. I don't have looks. I'm feeling it. Dapera, but I have a voice. I still want to talk. So respect my voice and deal with what I say. If you disagree with it, let me know. Where do you disagree so that I learn? Instead of letting me know, they go and block me and use mob psychology. Then I told them one day I shall come back, and I'm back after years in the wilderness. Today there's a lady, 7,000 pounds. I will check up on Facebook. This is not news. Shakatanga pama 250 atatilicious. Who remembers Mukoma Masimba na atatilicious pama 250? Tatilicious, you must pay back those monies. If you don't pay back tatilicious, pachatamba vazjawanda pano. Who remembers that in your passy, time will tell. From 250 to past 7,000 pounds. So no consider atina kusolve nyema 250. Tatilicious must pay back those 250s. Akabadla kularo tatilicious. No one else can come back by Facebook achibira wamwe. But mukafukidzira tatilicious because in the queen wenyu mufukidzira chakaipa. You have to tell queen tinokudai chaizo queen, but queen, let's pay back the monies. Takaba pa Facebook queen, makaba pa Facebook. You have to pay back by Facebook. If you don't pay back my 250 wire, pachata mbavaza kawanda because atina kusolve problem. Takata brush aside. I'm one of the people who stood up now on 250. I'm one of the people who stood up a fight against tatilicious. And I was one. And I was labeled Benzi, Anopenga, because tatilicious are following. And I said, you people are looking at following. You're not listening to what I'm saying. See your passy. What I'm gonna do, tatilicious, I'm gonna destroy your content. Tatilicious power yake angari pa LGBTI. Mashows yake angari LGBTI. Toba ni power yake. Then I went on to destroy LGBTI yake. Then she went clueless. Akaleta gossip makua. Then I went on to bring evidence makua. Evidence took gossip. Tatilicious are clueless. The only thing she can do now is my sex step. Once in a while, I want to make a sex step to remain relevant. So, Queen, I'm the one who took you to sex steps. From LGBTI to sex steps. I'm the boss. I'm in charge. Raitika. Mama Simba, so Raitika. Tatilicious, I'm going to make you do nothing for Facebook. And I'm going to make sure Tatilicious is not going to make money for Facebook. I said it. In Raitika. Tatilicious, I commercial show for Facebook. I blocked it. You can't make money Tatilicious. Because badara my 250. If you pay back my 250, you open a way for you to start making money. Because you're sitting on potential of making money on Facebook. But if you want to make money on Facebook, and I'm Masimba, you have to be clean. If you are dirty, then you enjoy dirty. You eat your value. Retika. Thank you very much. We move on. So, wanaume wangu, vyesu ndakutaura izvi. Ndakazvitaura. Ndiri pa kamera pangu, pa phone pangu, Tazvitaura ndakati zvichaitika zvese izvi chinyorai pasi. But because I was talking about the big people, and ndingoroka Mukoma Masimba haana mazina iwe, kakapera iwe, zvanzi benzi iro iwe. Ndati ndiri benzi zvangu, asi ndine voice. You are ignoring my voice. Listen to what I'm saying. Don't look at me. Because if you look at me, you are going to judge me. You are going to miss what I'm saying. What I'm saying is what is very important to you. So that you tell me what you think. That's what I call God deep and Mukoma Masimba. That moment when I share my honest opinion. I'm very honest with God. My purpose for Facebook is to build a community. To build a community is not an easy thing. Because Facebook is made up of individuals. Connections. So the challenge is how to change a connection to a community. That's what the challenge is. Changing connections, converting a connection to a community. Because once it's a community, now solutions will be there. If it's individuals like Ratiris, it's never problems. I start our community. So Facebook is going towards the community. Once you have community, muchalo resources unitika. So I'm not my opportunities and kuvurika.